So now let's purchase a number. We're going to be here in settings and phone system. Now, once you're inside of the phone system, you're going to see where you can easily add a phone number. So we're going to go ahead and click add phone number. And here's where you can buy your number. Now it's going to automatically just bring up a bunch of random phone numbers, but we want to get something local. So if we click right here on filter, then we can grab any part and we'll grab the first part. And we live in 916. So we're going to put in 916 and then apply. Now, you're going to see all the different phone numbers here that are going along, and these have a capability of phone call, text message, and imaging. They are $1.15 a month. So there is a monthly fee for it, but very reasonable. And so you'll be able to scroll through and you'll be able to see the different cities. Now, you can scroll through these and find it. If you find the one that you like, you can click that and then process to buy. Or if you don't like any of the numbers, you can click refresh results and it will bring it again. Just beware that once the number's gone, it will be gone and you won't be able to see it anymore. Another thing that you can do, if you want to buy like an 800 number, you can buy an 888 number and you can click that and you'll see the price is a little bit different. It's $2.15 a month, but you can also buy an 800 number if you're doing things like nationwide or that works better for your business. So once you're done, go ahead and click on the proceed to buy, and then you'll go ahead and complete the process. It'll attach it to your account. After that, you can immediately start making phone calls, but in order for us to set up text messaging, you'll need to go through and complete the A2P certification, which is a little bit of a longer process, and we're going to talk about in the next video.